FedEx. Eibach springs delivered. Delivered? They're actually here. What's up, YouTube? It is Chris back with another video. Now in today's video, as you guys saw from the little skit from the beginning of the video, I got some springs for my car and we're gonna go ahead and install those today. So so here's the box. It's Eibach Performance. I got the Sportline kit. So this is what's basically comes inside. All right, so you open up the box and this is basically what it comes with: some stickers, and then it comes with the rear. The rear and the front springs. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install those right now. I ain't never installed no springs before, but there's always a first time for everything. So let's go ahead and go downstairs, check out what the car currently looks like, and get started on this install. Let's go. All right, so this is the current setup. On the rear, stock height, it's about 3 inches. Mind you, I'm running on the rear, I'm running 235s. In the front, I'm running 225s, 18-inch rims. So yeah, in the rear, got about 3 inches, not 3 inches, but 3 fingers. In the front. Then for the front, I have more, which is 4 fingers in the front. And yeah, like that's me. You can't see me. Oh, there I am. But yeah, with these springs, it's supposed to be 1 inch in the front, 1.5 in the rear, I believe. So yeah, trying to see how they look. Hopefully it looks good. So to remove the rear spring, all you have to do is take this bolt and this bolt right here off. This is a 12 millimeter. This is the one that I'm using is 11/16, but I don't know if that's like millimeters or what that is. My bad, I'm sorry. But anyways, yeah, you just remove those two. So this bottom piece completely falls off, and then you could just remove the spring easily. I already did it on that side, as you can see, the red. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse it so y'all can see, and yeah, let's get it. All right, so I was able to take this off, or just fell down like I said it would. So now really just hold this down and the string comes out easily, and then you just replace these and yeah, put them back in place. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so that's the side-by-side comparison. The red ones are the new ones, the black ones are the stock ones. So yeah, as you can see, that's pretty much as much shorter it's gonna go. So now I gotta change these onto that on both sides. This is honestly the hardest part. Alright, so now what you do is with the jack, jacked it up and put the bolts back on, and that's literally all you do. But what I didn't show you guys, so on the bottom grommet there's these like nipples, and with those 2 nipples, what you literally do is you put those 2 nipples into the holes that there's right there. It's literally just 2 holes, and it's only, that was the only one that takes that size. You can't miss it. You just line them up and that's how it goes in. But yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up and put the bolts in. Alright, so I'm trying to give you guys a tip. So this, you gotta line them up. by using the jack stands, right? So go ahead and do the rear one first, the 12mm one, and move this as you're jacking it up. This part right here, try to adjust it as you're jacking it up. That's gonna make it a whole lot easier, because then you're gonna be able to get the bolt and just put it in. Because if it's not aligned, it's gonna be a nightmare to try to put on. Trust me, I've been battling with it, but I kind of figured it out now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bolt this on and get it on there. All right, so I'm here to show you guys this bolt right here is the one that's hard to align. This whole setup, this whole, you know, this area right here, it's the hard one. It's harder than this one. This one's easy. This one, literally, this part right here, it moves back and forth, side to side. So you could literally align it to the hole. It's perfect. This one, however, it's a bitch to align. So what I went ahead and did is I put the jack right here on this side, right? And you see this hole where this thing is? I just found like a metal rod to stick in here, because what I found was, for me, it wasn't, everything was aligning except it was a little bit to the right, or no, left, sorry, a little bit to the left, like literally a millimeter. So what I literally did was, in this hole, in between this hole and this, I got this rod and I literally grabbed onto the, I don't know how safe this is, I'm just gonna say it right now, but I literally went this way, like I literally applied pressure so it could pull this whole thing a little bit to the right. And at the same time, I had the bolt already in the hole, so as soon as there was space, jammed the bolt right in, and that's really how I did it. So hopefully that helps you guys. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the fronts. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the fronts now. I'm not gonna show any of the like jacking and all that process. I just want to get straight to it.
Choose your
I'm
fighter.
checking with y'all when. All right, so my battery actually ended up dying before I even finished installing the springs yesterday. So I didn't even get to finish showing you guys the end result, but I'm gonna go ahead and show them today. Either way, I finished late at night, so it would have been hard for you to see, but it's a day, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right now the end results pretty much. So let's go. Here's the rear. I pretty much got like one finger. The front, however, it's still a little bit more. It's 2 fingers. And yes, I know my car is filthy, but that's pretty much what it looks like now. It looks a whole lot better. It's not slammed or anything. And I think for the front, they would look better if I had like a Meteor tire. Right now, what I'm running are 225 in the front. However, in the rear, I'm running 235. So I think that might also help it with the gapping, make it look better. But yeah, so I might get some wider tires. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. More meat on there. But yeah, I like how it looks. So if you're thinking about doing it, I say go ahead and do it. It's a pretty good setup. But yeah, that's basically it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next video, I'll see you guys then. Peace.